Introducing Sim Lump from Sim Vivo, the ultimate training platform designed to enhance two-handed dissection skills with a focus on subcutaneous mass excision. Sim Lump offers a lifelike experience for learners to practice removing lipomas or fibromas embedded in fat that will surely hone their sharp and blunt dissection skills using forceps and scissors. The simulator features self-retaining simulated fat that accurately reflects the tissue characteristics surrounding embedded tumors. Each board comes equipped with 4 masses, allowing repetitive practice sessions to effectively reinforce skills. Sim Lump can also be ordered in a kit including forceps and tissue scissors that will provide learners with everything they need to take their dissection skills to the next level. Whether for medical professionals seeking to refine their surgical abilities or students looking to master fundamental techniques, Sim Lump offers a realistic and invaluable training solution. Sim Vivo, high fidelity, low cost.